If you want to gain respect from others, stop telling them too many things about yourself. Falling down is an accident. Staying down is a choice. Never trust a person that has let you down more than 2 times. Once was a warning, twice was a lesson, and anything more than that is simply taking advantage. Everything is going to be all right. Maybe not today, but eventually. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Everything you do doesn't have to be seen or heard. Your words start to lose value when your actions don't match. If you are a giver, remember to learn your limits because the takers don't have any. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. Don't let anyone know what you are doing until it's done. In the face of adversity, remember that diamonds are made under pressure. No regrets, just lessons. No worries, just acceptance. No expectations, just gratitude. Life is too short. A river cuts through rock not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. If they say it's impossible for them, not for you. Big journeys begin with small steps. Don't focus on the pain, focus on the progress. If my mind can conceive, if my heart can believe, then I can achieve it. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Share with your loved ones and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.